It's Sunday, so rice and peas to me thing. I don't know you go. When you go to a grocery store, foreign and have to buy more than one coconut because sometimes the two of them no good. Yeah, sometimes the two of them no good. Anyway, I brought this. Ooh. There's water inside. And it's sweet. So there's 2 coconuts and I'm breaking both of them. I'm juicing both of them because I don't want to leave the next one for next week, and then by next week, guess what? It's probably not good. I don't know, it must be the heat in the house because it's winter. Cut up my coconut. I like to eat them out, they're nice. Pour it in the blender. I like to use warm water. I'm going to blend the bejesus out of it because I'm going to juice it. Alright. Leave it to Vitamix to powder it out. So after this, I put the trash in like a nut milk bag, but this is like a fruit sack, right? And I squeeze the excess, and there's always a lot. Still got a lot. I'm gonna pour in my rice and peas, and I'm gonna pour the rest of it in a mason jar. Leave enough space. Cover it and freeze it. And yes, you can freeze as long as you leave enough space for expansion in a mason jar. Ooh. And scrape down the sides. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. I'm gonna be using some basmati rice, and I'm only gonna do 2 cups because I think that's enough rice and peas. Yeah, so first things first, you measure your rice. Coconut milk is ready. When you want to know if your coconut milk is ready, it's curdled around, right? It looks nice. So I'm gonna add some salt and my rice. Stir it up, right? I always tell people rice and peas, when you're measuring it when it's in the pot, I don't know if you can see, but should be about that amount of water that covers it. Don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer. I lock the Dutch pot here. See if we can lock it like the other day. And make sure you check your pot. Alright, so I put my rice and peas on low after it starts boiling up. See this right here? I can say give it another 2 minutes for everything to be dried out. But this is pretty much it. My rice and peas is ready. So it depends on how much rice you have in the pot, the length of time. I say give it a good, because I'm not boiling mine. I steam my rice and peas. So I steam it for a good, I don't know, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, because I am preparing my fish in the meantime. So I just do it and just put it on low and forget it. So this is what the grains look like. See? Oh no, that's the pepper. Yeah. Rice and peas is ready.